press the button. And here we go. The game's pretty much would you rather, but technically it's just would you rather say yes to this or no. So yeah, anyway, you have the option to not killing boss if all right thing. You don't get to save your friends and family. You have to spend the rest of the game killing them and marrying boss. Well, first thing, if you do this, you're fucking gay because the main character's male. Second thing, why would you want that? The man causes psychological torture, gets you killed, gets almost your friends captured. You're just fucking stupid if you do it. But he was a cool character though. He was a cool character. These people right here are just some evil. It was an evil dilemma. Okay, see, I'm gonna get join the turn. Now, let's put this down. How we. Alright, I gotta look this up. Are there more males or females? I need to know that on this earth. How many more would I see of if I did? Okay. Anyway, that was 2011. I need 2015. What the? That's some cool art. The f-
14 images. 14 images guaranteed to make you feel weirdly.
I'll just go make a guess. Okay.
Think you can handle all the weird
Okay, so that means there's less
later on.
females than males. So I would say well will not because that means I have to see more beeps than beeps. All right, all right. It's a bad one. People for what? Please tell me those are females or lesbians or gays. I mean not gays because if you did was that okay, you'll eat cake for the rest of your life. But the what the fuck does that mean? Does that mean that you're not actually eating cake? Because I don't get that. For the rest of your life. It comes in a lot of different flavors. Let's press it. It's a bad dilemma though. Really. Legally, no. Yeah, for free. Got this share. So what? I'm just gonna be looking up YouTube, Twitch, and that's it. And also the games. So, like, they're gonna judge me because I look on YouTube. Not like I look on beeps. And also, that's any game. What means right here? That's your internet. That means pretty much if you clear your history, if you do listen to beeps, you're pretty much good. This is bad dilemmas. They still are bad. They're still bad. I want to do a one that has no bad ones. I feel like League is First thing that will never happen. We all know it. No, the reason why it won't happen is because first thing Steam supports is the only like pretty much supports the people who created Half-Life and also people who Half-Life. So I can say it. Also, like also Facebook actually doesn't have some bad games, even though that would equal like the graphics probably would be bad. So it's still a bad dilemma. I wonder if the one that will make like no bad. Everybody does this perfectly correct, but you only have access to web. Nope, 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 no. That's stupid. That's stupid. Also, first thing you're stupid. That's impossible. Deliver all the lives within Area 51, but you never complete the defense area. No more things that I desire. That equals I could get Oculus Rift for possibility to go to sleep playing game. Or God. Okay, I know more normals. Teleportation, technically that's not normals. Uh, uh, but no, no, because if I don't live with, I don't really care because it's just no, because like I want to go through drive me a Lamborghini. I want to be driving that Lamborghini in their fence. No, that's stupid. That's very stupid. I do see that stipulation. What? You wanted to be a strategist and 10 cents for it, but you lose your subs. I just can't live without my thumbs. But that is pretty cool. 10 seconds. That I'm not saying that that's bad for those people. But in real life, actually, possibility will probably be something like Call of Duty, where it's like, oh, I lost my 100 limbs. Now you're placing robotics. Now I got superpowers. Pretty much. Anyway, everyone in school is with you. School only lasts 10. Friends with you. That's good. But then that's too. Okay, movie player. That's technically good, and then that's bad. Now it's good because then they'll have to technically have to extend break. And secondly, also will be good. It's also that means your education would be better, and also that equals summer would have to get there quicker. With more hours, that would equal summer would get there quicker, and summer would have to be longer. Then school would be shorter. That's actually pretty good. That's really good odds. Also, in their first review, that means during summer, you will have pretty much a lot of people to have friends with. That's a good dilemma. I don't know why you went quick with it. You seriously should think about it. Alright, you realize many of these buttons could consider the word poorly, using the words may, can, or ability to make them optional. But you realize these buttons to get across poorly. These are just fucking stupid. This it was bad. It makes no sense. You move new time, it is your age. What you do. Okay, but let's play here. If I go through time, you're saying that all my friends will randomly out of nowhere leave me. What about cookies with beep? 'Cause that's technically not friendship. I want to have friends. If I'm done traveling, I'm having friends. And that's why scientists are technically proven that time travel might actually happen. So, that's a bad dilemma. Alright, two more. Every game is free, but playing games are illegal except on weekends. Well, pretty much that's what my parents had me do when I was little, because when I was little, I used to have actually bad grades, and they made some stupid system where, oh, weekdays you can't play games, but on weekends you can. It really screwed my gaming for me, but back then I didn't have online, so I couldn't give a fuck. But now that I do, I really do. So I would be fine with it actually, since I already been through that life already. So also possibility it would be good. Possibility, because with all those other 5 days you could do other stuff. Have sex with you, but you can't. Okay. The flip me display here. First thing, the entire human space. Okay, wait a minute here. That means my family will die. More likely. More likely. But anyway. This is good, but if you can't orgasm, or okay, now I guess I can take away the beeps now since we went to that. Come, that equals the okay. What is here? Nothing, because all I have is penetrating and thrusting, doing, and then I just leave when I feel like it. So it's fucking stupid, okay? It's cool that I get to get down with anybody I want, but it's fucking stupid. Come on, make me ready to a good one. I barely get one. What? Make that fake ass ending of Mass Effect 3, bitch. Get that fake ass ending. I got the real ending. I can show you. Get this fake ass ending out my face, boy. Mass Effect 3. Get Commander Shepard to live, but all the humans are dead. Do 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 do. I rather have this is my own video, so I can't get copyright from myself because I would have to file my own report against myself. Yeah, that's stupid. So it won't happen. Son of a lag. Hopefully they didn't do anything during the goddamn end. That'll just be rude. Oh yeah, I did. I remember when I was watching it, actually did do so. It was because my internet connection was bad when I was recording this. I had no idea how to fix it. Alright, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I chose Destroy the Reapers. Just let you know. You could tell from the red. Through air quits up. It chills. Through air. When I watched it, it was chilling by at least now. Okay, yeah, this lag is starting to off. Let's okay, I think the female shepherd's gonna be the one that I use for really good internet. This is actually pretty annoying. Let's just speed this up. Wait, let's have it at 2.5, so then that'll make, it'll go a bit faster. Damn it. We make it 150. So then any lag, you'll pretty much barely notice. Okay, let's make it 2. Because you saw what it was 2. This is so fast. I know it is the music. Oh shoot, did I just talk over my own commentary? Oh god. That's what it sounds like every single fucking time I move the mic. Sorry. Oh god. and the Normandy still crashes, even though it played the Normandy getting away. Like, there, which also when it crashes, it does do do do. Like, it kind of plays like bad music. The way it played, it was like, yeah, you did it. It's also, if it gets destroyed, the front gets all messed up. It's good.
Wait a second, hold up. No, I'm not gonna go too far, but I could.
Oh lord, I am messing. Okay. I can slow it down. That's me the bad part. This lag. I want fast forward, but I need to say.
Wait a second, hold up. No, I'm not gonna go too far, but I could make a guess that this could be somewhere around where Andromeda is. Let's put this down. This is somewhere they don't even know where they at. It wouldn't make sense to be where Andromeda is, a place where Andromeda is. The only thing is, they would have to make a lot of separate references for it, so there would be a very chancy move to do it. Yeah, that was one of my theories about this could be, because first thing, if they didn't know anything about this, and they already been through the entire fucking galaxy, so that's enough to tell you that that could be accurate.
Oh, yeah, a couple more things to go. Explain what happened after. I just love the aftermath. My aftermath was so good.
The war is over.
Destroy.
The Reapers have been defeated. Against all odds, and in the face of the greatest threat this galaxy has ever known.
Ah, all humans are dead, eh?
We
No.
suffered many losses. The relays are severely damaged. But we won. This victory belongs to each of us. Every man, woman, and child. Every civilization. On every world.
Wake up, still alive. We are in Samaria. I never realized we are almost there. I actually did. Kasumi.
Hey, vacation.
Now, as we take our first steps toward restoring
Rex,
what we
Grunt.
lost, we must remember what it took to win.
Death Rage cured.
This wasn't a victory by a single fleet, a single army, or even a single species.
I don't know what that is. Actually, I never understood that one.
If this war has taught us anything, it
Corian
is that we
still
are at our
alive in
strongest when we
freedom.
work together. And if we can put down our grievances long enough to stop something as
Citadel.
powerful as the Reapers,
And also Earth.
imagine what we
We're
can
gonna see
achieve
something.
now that they are defeated. It will take time, but we can rebuild everything that was destroyed. Our homes, our worlds, our fleets and defenses. All of this, and more. Together, we can build a future greater than any one of us could imagine. A future paid for by the sacrifices of those who fought and died
Well,
alongside
yeah,
us.
the people that fought, they
future
literally have
that
to
many will
die.
never see.
Well, yeah, if you what? Whoa, that's a false. If it's just showing up because this is like a proof version. That's my helmet, even though I didn't wear it. Really, Commander Shepard doesn't even wear his helmet. Not even in the game they want you to actually wear your helmets. On the box he doesn't wear his helmet, in the trailers he doesn't wear his helmet, but in the game he's supposed to wear his helmet. That's fucking stupid. But anyway. And this is my girlfriend, Riara, because I chose Riara. That was pretty cool for a girlfriend. Right? A really, really great girlfriend. I mean, like, y'all get to have, like, mind plus physical sex. Like, that's a pretty good sex right there. That's like, she calls it the best sex. I'm like, damn. Even everything wrong with Mass Effect showed that every other sex scene besides Riara's isn't really that good. I know you ain't patting my name, but I'm not dead because I got over 5,000 military strength because I play multiplayer. Because multiplayer is forced upon you in Mass Effect 3, and they thought it was cool, which it was it kind of was. It shows the Normandy fly away, because the Normandy will fly away. I didn't even see this part. I didn't see this part. Yeah, when I played the game, I did download it, but since I played Mass Effect 3 first, I guess certain people died and Normandy gets upgrades, so it didn't fly away. They just stay on the planet, which I didn't even know. But no, here comes the secret Shepard scene. The secret cutscene, the one I was talking about. Because I was talking about that all day in the Mass Effect 3, Mass Effect 2, some of it, and I think Mass Effect 1. Alright, that's my Shepard right there. Dead. Something of my controller! Nice guy with the beat. My Shepard's alive. See? He said, which after you crash after that, I would be probably in problem. Boy, breathed. He said, now let me remind you, he did land on Earth. So yes, if your Shepard survived, more than likely the Normandy crew did find his body and, you know, they reunited and whatever love interest, you know, he or she is back with. Yeah. That was Mass Effect. Okay, what's up doing that? Because this is very for some of the good music. So yeah, this music is fucking bullcrap. So I will not, because I have the ending that's better than what you got. So fuck off. Everyone press the button is straight up stupid, because you can get the better ending. Okay, you can call a Clearface wheel, but your quotes get. That's pretty good, because that pretty much means that means I only will use it for emergencies. It'll be like someone's coming through like, oh crap, take up the clothes, run through walls. Wait, that means if they start shooting at me, they wouldn't do anything. Or punch at me, so that means they wouldn't do anything. I'm gonna sit back. So there's no emergency. I just do it for a fun drive. Oh no! That means I can't have sex. No! Like get to publish on manga, Korean anime, whatever you show what. The art is terrible. No. No! If it's terrible, what's the point of me creating it? Why would you want to create terrible? Wait, whoa, please don't tell me I was sequel. Oh, no, I was about to say, because that was just messed up. It was what? Pokemon's real. This is fucking stupid. That's really stupid. Also, I will not. You are stupid. Alright, sure that's I think that's only one town you could explore if you don't get, a badge. Whatever, I don't remember, because I don't play Pokemon. I played one Pokemon game,
and I don't play no more. The reason why? 'Cause if you play one Pokemon game, guess the fuck what? You played every other one. Because all the towns look the same, the people look the same, the badges are more than likely the same, the Pokemon just evolved other versions, it's the fucking same. Okay? I don't give a fuck about Pokemon. Please, please. You like Pokemon? You like Pokemon. I'm not gonna hate. But I don't like Pokemon. You can like Pokemon? But I don't like Pokemon. Now don't go all on me because I don't like Pokemon. I let you have your choice, so let me have mine. Okay? Okay. Good. Also, I used to like Pokemon, but when I got adulted and I realized that Pokemon was the same fucking shit, I didn't. So, it was a time I did like it, and don't even try me. But no, I will convince you to like it again, because this is not Mass Effect, this is not Mafia, this is not games where you can convince them. You have, alright, now they have to take a gaff. You're stupid. You're really stupid. That means you will always have gas. It's just a half a tank. It don't matter. It's not good. Like, please don't tell me no one doesn't actually realize that y'all stupid. Always will have. That means you never will run out of gas. That's a good thing. You get the right. Also, some fictional vehicles don't have gas. You know, some use like different things, like not gas. So, how am I supposed to have a half a tank if they don't go off of gas? Ha ha ha. Anyway, you have no pain whenever you want. Your body is in a cast. No, it's fucking stupid. You can't feel pain, but you're in a cast. What the fuck? That makes no sense. You would want to have that. That means you can't move, but you can't feel pain. What pain are you gonna even have if you can't move, boy? Just some shots, boy. What? I'm pretty sure you would kill yourself. Like, you can teleport anywhere, but you can't. I still like teleporting because that would equal. Why would I need to run? Maybe so. Yeah, exercise. Yeah, that'll come in handy. But then let's put this down. They never said you can't walk, so that means you still get in place. And then if you could teleport anywhere, that means if someone's coming after you, you just I'm out. Or you could be like, oh, I can teleport. And that girl, man, you're like, yeah, double team. And be like, yo, boy, can you get over here? Teleport, yeah, double team. Oh, hell yeah, that would be cool. I get to go into banks and take the money, steal Lamborghini. I would be unstoppable. I would be able to stop every crime, anytime, and anywhere. It also means interdimensional dimensions. And also, anytime. So, 1957, here I go. I'm kidding. Nope. That's a bit too close to slavery. That isn't slavery. Or is it? 2057, here I come. If we live for that far, because if the United States don't fucking go against ISIS, no, you're probably saying, but they're trying to avoid war so they don't get fucked up. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Even ISIS want to do it. ISIS declared war, boy. You're just dodging it. It's just like, no. You're Captain America Winter Soldiering it. You're Captain America and they're Bucky. Bucky's beating the fuck out you, shooting you, whipping the fuck out you, and you're still like, I won't fight you. I won't. Even though he's whooping your ass, you don't give a fuck. He'll just fucking kill you, boy. He's like, alright, then I'll just kill you. You see what I mean? So, that's actually a pretty good situation. Anyway. Plus, I'm able to teleport for, like, any bad situation. You know, there's Star Wars, but fuck nobody likes Jar Jar, so that means people, like, in real life would not like me. I want to be. It's also possible Jar Jar multiple times almost died. And also, Jar Jar's fucking useless in the world, but you have to murder. Okay, true, I have to murder, but how frequently? Also, a murder possibility be called a curse multiple times, but I can see it because that means you get to have friends. But then when your friends pass away, you're still alive. You can make new friends, they pass away, still alive. It's just a bad curse, okay? You will gain any power, murder everybody. That's it. I can't get down. So, hell no. I let my family die out. I let my family die out. Wait, two more. First 10 seconds, he gave £1. I will use it for away emergencies. 50-50. So it's a really pretty much half and half. I don't miss you. Hey. Here, you get to know what happens in your life in the future, but you words to live in the opposite. That's fucking no. That's stupid. That makes no sense. That okay? All right. Let me explain here. You get to see the future, but then you get the opposite of the future. So that equals that you argue the future. You fucking dumbass. Anyone who presses the button, you are a fucking moron. Just to let you know. Alright, no fun. You can every day you have to drink an entire bottle of cough, bitch. Bitch, that's $1,000,000. I can drive a Lamborghini, get bitches any day I want. Y'all stupid boys. Also, that equals I gotta be good, boy. An entire bottle? Get myself not sick. I'll be healthy. Nice and healthy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Oh, will you press the button? I have fun. Hope you did.